I welcome you all to learn Social Studies Lesson 6 about our climate. In the previous video, you have learned about the season in India and the weather and the climate. And let us revise this lesson in this video. Here are some new words. From the lesson, I have taken some 10 spellings, 10 new words. Let us go through the spellings. First word is foggy. 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 You can see in the picture, in the mountainous region, everywhere fog during foggy day. And when the sunrise falls on the fog, it melts and form as river and float as river. Okay. Next spelling is sunny. 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 Sunny day. You all know the sun will be very bright and so hot, and you can see the shadows of the trees in the mountain, and everywhere during sunny day it will be so hot and so bright. Next spelling is cloudy. 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 You can see the picture. Everywhere cloudy, dark clouds and some white clouds everywhere during cloudy day. Next spelling is rainy day. Rainy, spelling Rainy. Rainy. During rainy season, everywhere you can see water, isn't it? Rainy water everywhere. You can see in the picture, this girl is so happy to see the water. During rainy day, you will get water everywhere. Next spelling is windy. 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 You can see in the picture a man standing on the mountain. He has covered fully to keep him warm during winter's days. Okay. Next spelling is weather. Sixth spelling is weather. 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 In Tamil we say vaanilai. Weather means what? Vaanilai in Tamil. Weather. Next spelling is temperature. 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 Next, temperature means what? Vepanilai. Okay. Next spelling is droughts. 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 Droughts mean a dry place where people get only very less rainfall. Here in the picture, a farmer is waiting for the rain. Sometimes they'll get and sometimes they won't get rain. So this place is very dry place. Droughts. Varachiyana nilam. Next, monsoon. 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 Monsoon means Parvakala Malai. Monsoon. Next, conditions. 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 The atmospheric conditions in this lesson. Conditions. Let us see the question answers from the book and the questions are given in your book on page number 50. The questions are, first question is, what is the difference between weather and climate? What is the difference between weather and climate? The answer is, weather is the day-to-day conditions of the air at a particular place. Weather is a day-to-day conditions of the air at a particular place. It may change daily or in an hour or in a minute. Okay, weather is a day-to-day conditions of the air at a particular place. Next, we'll see what is climate. Climate is the pattern of weather conditions of a place over a long period of time for about 35 to 40 years. So climate is a pattern of weather conditions of a place over a long period of time for about 35 to 40 years. Next question is, what role do the western disturbances play? What role do the western disturbances play? The answer is, the winds which blow from the west during winter are called western disturbances. What is western disturbances? The winds which blow from the west during winter season. Winter are called western disturbances. They are the cause of light rainfall in the plains and snowfall in the northern mountains. Next point is, the western disturbances are followed by very cold weather and fog. The next question is, how are monsoon winds useful? How are monsoon winds useful? The answer is, the monsoon winds blow from the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal towards the land. Okay, the monsoon winds blow from the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal towards the land. And while passing through the seas, they pick up a lot of moisture. Moisture means irapadam. This moisture causes rainfall in the most part of India. So you can see in the map, India is surrounded by water on all three sides. The monsoon wind, okay, blow from the Arabian Sea. You can see in the map, Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. It blows from the winds blow from the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal towards the land. So while passing through the sea, they pick up some moisture, okay, a lot of moisture, and this moisture cause rainfall in most part of India. Next question is, let us see which state in India receives the highest rainfall. Which state in India receives the highest rainfall and which state receives the lowest rainfall? The answer is, in India, Meghalaya. 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 Spell the word Meghalaya. In India, Meghalaya receives the highest rainfall and Rajasthan receives the lowest rainfall. Rajasthan spelling Rajasthan. 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 Rajasthan receives the lowest rainfall. You can see in the map Meghalaya. Where is Meghalaya? Here You can see Meghalaya in the Khasi Hills, Cherrapunji. Okay, Cherrapunji is the highest, place where they get highest rainfall. Okay, next question is, why does, let us go to next question. Why does Chennai remain cool during summer? Why does Chennai remain cool during summer? The cool breeze. The cool breeze from the sea keeps the coastal areas cool. So Chennai remains cool even during summer. Let me show where is Chennai in Tamil Nadu. Chennai, down, you'll get cool breeze in Chennai than other places. Okay, let me explain this from the picture. Here, hot, see, you can see the hot air. When some part of the earth gets heated by the sun, the air above it becomes hot. So hot air is lighter than cold air, so it rises, and cold air from the surroundings areas rushes into take its place. So places near the sea get cool sea breeze, so they are not very hot. Okay, let me explain again. When some part of the earth gets heated by sun, okay, so land gets heated soon, the air above it becomes hot. So hot air is lighter than cold air, so it rises, and cold air from the surroundings areas rushes into take its place. So places near the sea get cool sea breeze, so they are not very hot. Okay, go through this lesson, learn this question answers, and write in your class work. Thank you, children. Thank you all for watching this video. God bless you all. Thank you.